If you are thinking of becoming a doctor, entrepreneur, or tech industry maven, a summer discovery experience at UC Berkeley puts you in the heart of the Bay Area's vibrant entrepreneurial and tech culture. The rigorous academic schedule features project-based learning in small groups, in fields that will literally shape the future of human existence. Elevate your academic portfolio and gain college-ready confidence. Summer Discovery offers an experience unlike any other, backed by nearly 60 years of elevating pre-college academic summer experiences for more than 100,000 students around the globe. Nestled in the Berkeley Hills overlooking San Francisco Bay, UC Berkeley provides an incredible backdrop for a summer of discovery and fun. On-campus activities include game nights, casino nights, a field day, and more. Summer Discovery at UC Berkeley features hands-on learning, group projects, and real-world experiences. From the highly selective Management, Entrepreneurship, and Technology Innovation Academy to Engineering and Robotics, Emergency Medicine, Psychiatry and Neuroscience, and Research in Medicine, students are immersed in activities that provide a taste of what a future career path might be like. Students spend time with tech leaders from Silicon Valley. Emergency medical students visit a medical simulation lab, and neuroscience students dissect a brain. This dynamic hands-on learning provides an unmatched experience for high school students. If your passion is learning, a summer discovery session at UC Berkeley is for you. Make this summer a life-changing experience full of learning, growth, and fun with Summer Discovery at UC Berkeley.